Yes, let's look at this question number 22 for chemistry, WAEC 2018. The most suitable substance for putting out petrol fire is option A, water, B, carbon 4 oxide, C, fire blanket, D, sand. This is a pretty easy one. The answer is carbon 4 oxide. If you check your textbook under the uses of carbon 4 oxide, you find out that carbon 4 oxide is the most suitable substance for putting out petrol fire. Why? Because it is actually denser than air, so it cuts off oxygen supply to the burning material, making it very, very effective as an extinguisher. So it is used as an extinguisher. So take note, CO2 is used as fire extinguisher. Why? Because it is denser than air, and it does what? It cuts off oxygen supply to the burning material. You know that oxygen is needed for burning to happen, or for fire to happen. So because CO2 is dense, so it's better than any other thing to be used in putting out petrol fire. So it's better than water, it's better than sand, because the materials for burning, they can float on water and sand. They can float on water. So it's better you use carbon 4 oxide, CO2. That's the best thing to use for putting out petrol fire. So please take this under uses of CO2. Carbon and its compound. Check under uses of CO2, under carbon and its compounds in your textbook. That's where you find it. Please, if you like this video, hit the subscribe button. It's by this side of your screen. Thank you, and God bless you.